Hey everyone, and welcome. I'm so glad you're joining us today. In this explainer, we're going to unpack a software tool that's an absolute game changer for small businesses. It's called GoHighLevel. So, if you've ever felt completely overwhelmed by the sheer mountain of tech it takes just to keep your doors open, well, you're in exactly the right place. Let's jump right in.
Imagine you run a small business. You could be a dentist, a gym owner, a real estate agent, or even a freelancer. To run that business smoothly today, you are probably exhausted from constantly juggling software. You definitely know the feeling I'm talking about. It's that sheer fatigue and confusion of logging into 10 different accounts every single day just to make sure you aren't accidentally losing customers. Think about this crazy modern software juggling act. You need a website, you need forms to capture leads, you need a CRM, an email system, a calendar, a way to collect reviews, and maybe even a course platform. Usually you have to buy 6, 7, maybe even 10 different tools to pull all this off. It gets incredibly expensive. But you know what the absolute worst part is? None of these tools actually talk to each other.
And that brings us exactly to the problem GoHighLevel solves. Think of running your business like cooking a big meal. Normal software tools are like buying your knife from one shop across town, your stove from another, and your pots from a third. Nothing fits together right out of the box. GoHighLevel, on the other hand, is like buying a fully equipped modern kitchen. Absolutely everything you need is already there, already connected, and entirely ready to use.
So the crucial takeaway here is that GoHighLevel, which people often just call GHL, is a true all-in-one platform. Instead of using 10 different apps and paying 10 different monthly subscriptions, you get literally everything you need for your sales and marketing inside one single clean dashboard.
Let's break down how this fully equipped kitchen actually works. We're going to walk through the core features one by one, starting with the CRM, which stands for Customer Relationship Management. Think of this as the brain of your customer relationships. It's basically a highly organized digital notebook that keeps track of every single person who shows interest in your business. It logs their name, their phone number, and it even tracks exactly what stage of the buying process they're in. Next up, you need a place for those customers to land in the first place. GoHighLevel lets you build beautiful websites and what we call funnels. Now, if you aren't familiar with that term, don't worry. A funnel is simply a sequence of web pages designed to guide a visitor step by step toward taking a specific action, like booking a call with you. And the absolute best part is that zero coding knowledge is required. Everything works with super simple drag-and-drop building blocks. Once people are actually in your system, you need a way to track them. That brings us to pipelines. Think of a pipeline as a highly visual tracking board where you can instantly see where every single potential customer stands. It literally moves left to right, going from new lead to contacted to appointment booked and finally to closed won. At a single glance, you know exactly how healthy your sales are.
Now, for the real magic, automation. This is your ultimate time saver. Automation just means the software does the heavy, repetitive manual lifting for you. The exact second someone fills out a form on your website, GoHighLevel goes to work. It can automatically send them a welcome text, add them directly to your CRM, and even assign a follow-up task to your team, all instantly, without you lifting a finger. Let's talk about scheduling, because we all know how annoying that can be. GoHighLevel includes a calendar booking tool that syncs directly with your actual schedule. Customers can just book appointments straight into your calendar themselves. This completely eliminates that endless, frustrating game of what time works for you? No, that doesn't work for me. How about Tuesday? You can say goodbye to that conversation entirely.
Moving on, we've got the Communication Hub. Normally, you're constantly checking your phone for texts, logging into a totally different tab for emails, checking Facebook, and then opening WhatsApp. It is pure chaos. GoHighLevel takes all these separate channels and merges them into one single conversation thread. You see every single message in one clean inbox, no matter where your customer sent it from. And after you've provided an amazing service to those customers, you need reviews. With the reputation management feature, the software actually automatically requests Google reviews from your happy customers for you. This is huge because it helps your business look fantastic online and builds massive trust with potential buyers, all with zero extra effort on your part.
But what if you sell knowledge? Say you're a coach or an educator. Well, you can create, host, and sell online courses or membership content directly inside the platform. You completely eliminate the need for a separate, expensive course hosting site. You're selling your digital products directly inside the exact same software you use to market them. It is incredibly seamless.
Okay, let's shift gears for a second and look at a wild feature called white labeling.
If you run a marketing agency, you can actually rebrand GoHighLevel as your very own software. You can slap your own logo and company name right on it and resell it to your clients for a monthly fee. It is a fantastic, ready-made way to build recurring income.
Finally, to round out this whole toolkit, we have snapshots. A snapshot is exactly what it sounds like. It's a ready-made, pre-packaged template. So instead of building your website, your automations, and your pipelines totally from scratch, you can just install a snapshot built specifically for dentists or specifically for real estate agents. It sets up your entire system in minutes, giving you a massive head start.
So, who is actually using all of this? Well, GoHighLevel originally started as a specialized tool for digital marketing agencies, just so they could manage all their clients without going crazy juggling subscriptions. But it definitely didn't stay that way. Today, it is heavily used by regular small business owners, coaches, real estate agents, gyms, salons, you name it. Basically, any local business that needs to smoothly manage a customer journey is using this.
To quickly sum up the core why behind this whole platform, you just have to look at the practical benefits. You get massive cost savings because one subscription replaces 10. You get incredible time savings thanks to all that automation we talked about. Your organization skyrockets because everything is finally in one place. It is highly scalable as you grow, and it offers absolutely unmatched customization for whatever industry you're in.
A really great way to cement this concept in your mind is to think of GoHighLevel as a complete business operating system. You know how your smartphone's operating system seamlessly runs your camera, your text messages, your calendar, and your calls, all from one single device? GoHighLevel does that exact same thing, but for your business. It runs your marketing, sales, communication, and scheduling all from one unified software platform.
Now, it is time for a quick, friendly reality check. GoHighLevel is an incredibly powerful tool, but it is not instant magic. It's not some guaranteed result machine that you just turn on and walk away from. Like any software on the planet, it requires a proper setup, a solid business strategy, and consistent use. It gives you the superpower to automate things, but you, as the business owner, still need to bring in the right offers and content to actually close those sales.
If you take away just one single thing from this entire explainer today, let it be this exact definition. GoHighLevel is an all-in-one sales and marketing platform that combines a website builder, CRM, automation, communication tools, appointment booking, and reputation management entirely into a single dashboard.
I want to leave you with one final, very important thought. Take a hard look at your own business right now. How much time and money are you currently wasting managing multiple, disconnected business tools? It might just be time to stop juggling and start operating from one single, powerful dashboard. Thank you so much for joining me to explore this today. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll catch you next time.